What's going on, everybody? We're out at the Northwest Tune-Up in Bellingham, Washington. You got a bunch of dirt jumpers behind me. Got a bunch of cool different shops out here, a lot of different bike brands, and so we're just going to kind of take a look, see what's going on, maybe demo a couple bikes, and just experience the fun of the Northwest Tune-Up. So yeah, let's get into some of the activities. Like, look at my hand.
Holy cow.
3 blisters from it. That's what champions are made of.
It says spin this way. Right here.
Come back. No prize. It's unfortunate. I believe in you. Well, just go till your hands slip off.
Anyways, we're gonna work on that.
Nice bargain.
The best full run we've seen so far in the 15 seconds.
You alright? Woo! He's good. He's good. Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is the last day out at the Northwest Tune-Up. We're about to head out. Super fun time. I got to demo 3 different bikes: the Propane Tie-E, the Transition Smuggler, and then the third one was the Scott Genius. So pretty fun demo session. Took a while to get a bike, took a while to get on the shuttle, but once you got on there, it was fun to ride Galbraith. Overall, the festival was pretty fun. Just watching people throw down on the dirt jumps, different trials, trying all the food trucks and things like that. So pretty fun time. We'll probably see you next year. So yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in, and don't forget, the most important trail of the day is the next one. So see you in the next one. Peace.